In 1965, a government research facility housed a machine unlike any other, a computer designed to predict human behavior. Scientists believed society could be reduced to numbers, every action and decision measurable, every choice traceable. If human behavior could be quantified, they reasoned, it could also be controlled. But they weren't predicting machines. They were predicting people, real individuals, with real consequences. The project was officially shut down, yet the ideas it contained did not disappear. They lingered quietly, evolving in secret, waiting for the technology to catch up. Today, algorithms trace every click, every swipe, and every decision you make. The ambitions of 1965 live on in modern data systems, analyzing patterns invisible to the naked eye. Reels spin no longer, lights dim, but the echoes of prediction continue to shape our world. From silent laboratories to the algorithms behind social media, the dream of control persists. Every interaction, every transaction, every choice feeds the unseen calculations of a digital observer. The future envisioned decades ago is now present, quietly guiding human behavior. Patterns began to emerge, subtle correlations that suggested human behavior could be modeled, compared, and evaluated. In the dim light of a laboratory, analysts once recorded every detail, note by note, punch card by punch card. Reels whirred, indicator lights blinked, and the human observer remained silent, focused, attentive. Charts and graphs lined the walls, revealing subtle trends that only a trained eye could interpret. The analyst studied the data meticulously, making precise adjustments to each chart and record. Reels slowed, calculations finalized, yet the observer made no motion, no sound. The room's dim glow highlighted the isolation of man and machine, working in perfect silence. Hands moved methodically over punch cards, confirming each entry, noting anomalies. The room's emptiness becomes unmistakable, emphasizing the solitude of the experiment. Spinning reels reflect in his glasses, a silent witness to a machine that sees everything. Charts displayed subtle instabilities, and notes were taken with deliberate precision. The machine powered down slightly, but observation continued. Unbroken, unyielding, indicator lights blinked faintly, punch cards stacked neatly, and the analyst remained vigilant. Reel-to-reel tapes slowed further, the hum of machinery fading into near silence. Charts were adjusted, data confirmed, every detail preserved in meticulous records. Every movement is deliberate, maintaining a precise and disciplined order. The isolation becomes undeniable. One human, one machine, intertwined in purpose. Lights blinked, reels spun slowly, and the analyst observed without speaking, reviewed charts, methodical, precise, deliberate. Tapes continued their slow rotations as the observer recorded, measured, and reflected. The machine powered down incrementally, each step observed, each note recorded, room lights dimmed further, shadows creeping along walls, emphasizing stillness. Focus on the reels, spinning slowly one last time. fading to stillness. The analyst's reflection in glass caught the faint glow of the machine, silent and deliberate. The lights are inactive, calm and dark. The experiment completed, yet echoing in thought. He steps back from the desk, still, absorbing the finality of the data. Room lights dim further, silence now absolute, a measured stillness enveloping the space. The prediction system powers down, reels halt, lights dim, hinting at the algorithms of the future. The analyst steps away, observing the quiet room. The machine's glow lingers, leaving a haunting imprint. This is the forgotten future of prediction, beginning in silence, continuing in every decision you make.